Hello, it's Moira McDonald. Bear with me while I adjust to try and make sure I get everything in. I've got a little junk journal. Well, it's actually quite a big junk journal by all accounts. When I say big, big for me, not big for anybody else, but big for me. It is 6 by 8.5, give or take. One signature, and it's soft cover relatively. Made from I think it was a pizza box, or it could have been a cereal box. I can't actually remember, because believe it or not, it was that long ago that I genuinely can't remember what I made it from. Anyway, it's fabric covered and decorated with a variety of wee bits and bobs that I have put together. So we'll have a quick look through it. The whole point of the, bear with me again, the whole point of the journal was really to introduce a new small digital paper pack that I've done. So you can have a wee look at this, and I'll point out the digital papers as we go through, and you can see what you think. So opening up, move this over a wee bit. And what we have in here, hold on, my wee corner's fallen off, I'll need to glue that on. What we have in here is, this is scrapbooking paper, didn't do that, but I have put together this just a wee tag that I made, quite neat, and this is a digital envelope from the pack, nothing in it at the moment. And I made a file folder, and inside just some, I've decorated this with some Edith Holden, and there's just some coffee or tea stained paper. I can't actually remember what it was, probably coffee stained, and it's just a poem from what's her name, Edith Holden's book. This is a page I just decorated with a wee collage and some wax stain down here that's been stamped and embossed. Another collage there, just a plain page, book page, and this is the first of the digital pages here. Each of the digital pages I provided a back cover, if you like, that you can use to write on, because it's lined. So you can still use that, and just done a wee kind of die cut corner there, and a variety of wee postage stamp I made. Just a Tim Holtz ticket stamp. This is a library card that I did in the digital kit, and a tag from just one of the pages I cut out and stuck it onto some cardstock. Went round it with a wee bit of vintage, no vintage photo, what do you call it? Victorian velvet, I think it is. This page is another one of my collage pages. These have been tinted with Victorian velvet and mica powder. They look a bit sort of eco-dyed to some extent. Another wee collage here, book page, and another one of the pages from the digital kit. And you can see quite clearly the back there of the digital kit. A couple of wee die cut tags from just some scrapbooking paper I had that kind of tied in with it. Another one of the digital pages here, and this is a sheet of music paper which it's got a pocket on the other side. I actually tore this, which is why I've ended up decorating it. So we've got some washi tape down at here, and just a wee digital image that I stuck on. Over the page we have a pocket here that I've made, another piece of washi tape, and another ticket, another wee tag that I made, and this again is just one of the tags that comes with the kit, and you can write on the back of that. I printed on the back of it with that page again that forms the back of the other pages. recollage down here. Let me stick that down, that's not washy, and it's clearly not very sticky. Oh. So let's just put a wee drop of glue at the back just to make sure that we stick it down. Yeah, that's not coming up again. It's really annoying when you get washi tape like that, that you think it's all right and then it's not. Another wee collage, and here I put a pocket here and I don't care if I put anything in it. Another one of the digital pages. Book page. Doily, that's I've used the Victorian Velvet spray on. Another collage page. Collage, digital collage if you like. Just another one of my pages here. Plenty of writing space in this particular journal. But like I said, I mean, when I was making it, the intention, that's one of my digital images. My intention was truly just to introduce a 5-hole, what is it? What is it called? It's not just 5 stitch, it's something else. Pamphlet stitch, is it? Pamphlet stitch there to hold, and you can see quite clearly the pages that you've got here for writing on that have lined the digital pages. A wee tiny collage there, and a collage here, and another wee pocket in this one with another one of my hame knit, as we say, homemade stamps. One of Tim Holtz's stamps of a ticket, just a wee image that I die cut into the shape of a ticket, and another one of the tags from the kit. It's not a massive kit, but as you can see, it can certainly make a reasonable wee journal. Here again, just a wee digital, just a wee collage, and there. Over here on this piece of music paper, I put one in my pockets, and I have another Tim Holtz ticket, another tag that I made, and this is another tag. It's actually one of the little, oh, that's 2 tags. That's a library ticket and one of the tags for the book. Another digital page. On the other side of those wee tickets. You can maybe stick photos and things like that on those. And over here, more digital images here. Here we've got another library card and another ticket. Sun's coming in. Book page, collage there, and another pocket here with another wee ticket, another stamp that I made, a tag I made myself, some fabric and variety of images, library card, and another envelope, which has inadvertently got stuck down. Oh, there we go, we're fine. So very much a writer's journal, not like what I normally do. But as I've said, I mean, this is really just a couple of collages there. It's really just a way of introducing the digital kit, if you like. Now I haven't put any kind of seal on this, and as far as I haven't put any seam binding or anything to tie it together. It does lie open, I have to say, at the moment, never mind if somebody's going to be using it, but I just thought it made quite an attractive kind of coffee table book, especially since it's so decorated in the front with paper flowers, and that's a polymer clay face that I put on there, and polymer clay flower up there, and a paper flower, a paper leaf, and a kind of resin type button down there, and an image, and there's some lace down the spine covering the signature. So that's us. Hope you like it. It'll be up for sale in my Etsy shop. Oof, Etsy. Oof. Oof. Hate the Etsy. Well, I don't hate it, but I don't really particularly like it. What can one do? So I'll put it in the Etsy shop because it seems to be easier for everybody to work, and the digital kit is already in the Etsy as well. So thanks very much for your time today. Hope you like my wee book, hope you like the kit. Any questions, give me a wee shout, and I'll see you when I see you. See you later guys, bye. Bye, bye.